Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been such a long time that I haven't filmed anything, but today I was in the mood to film. It is such a beautiful day outside and I want to show you guys how I style my hair with a hair straightener. I've done like a hair blowout tutorial here on my channel before, but honestly sometimes I feel like it's a little bit of a struggle when you have long hair, and I feel like doing it with a straightener, it's a little bit quicker than doing it with the hair dryer. And this hairstyle literally takes me 15 minutes to do. So the first thing you need to do is to put a hair protectant. You need a hair straightener, hairbrush, and you need hair clips. All right, so the first thing I do is just part my hair in half. This doesn't have to be perfect, don't worry about it. So then I'm gonna start brushing my hair. I always start from the ends and then I work my way up. That way I don't damage the hair, I don't pull any hairs. Same thing on the other side. This side, I always put it up and secure it with a hair clip like that. Just gonna grab some hair, clip it in place. So you kind of straighten this part. Once you get here, you go under like that. You can even put the other piece of hair on top, and then you just pull, and it's out like that. So I'm gonna quickly go ahead and change my t-shirt because it's black and you guys can't really see what I'm doing, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I think this is much better. I'm gonna show you guys how I get sort of this end curls. So what I do, I just grab a section of hair. All right, and then go ahead and grab my hair straightener. When I see this piece of hair right here, I go ahead and flip my hair straightener downwards, so that way the curl goes against my face. So like that. One more time. As you guys can see, it doesn't really matter how much hair you get, and this hair is not like it has to be perfect. It needs to be a little bit of imperfection for it to look nice. So same thing. And then I go ahead down. You can put the hair on top of the hair straightener, and then you want to pull out the hair. Ta-da! It looks so pretty. Last one that I'm going to show you guys. So we get the hair straightener all the way up to here, kind of halfway. We flip. And then I always like to grab my hair from here because I don't want to feel like it's pulling it too much. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest and then I'm gonna show you guys how to do the right side. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab some hair. So same thing, I'm just gonna, and then I'm going to place the hair on top of the hair straightener. And then I'm gonna flip it and flip it again, and then just pull. And this is gonna create that curl that we're looking for and going outwards. It's so simple, you guys. And the more you do it, the better you will get at it. And your hair is gonna look so pretty. All right, so last time, I'm gonna get some hair. We get the straightener. Once we're kind of halfway, pull the hair on the top, flip the straightener, and then we flip one more time, and then we just pull. Look at that, that is so beautiful. As you guys can see, we're not using a lot of heat because it's like so quick and easy to do, and I don't mind if this part is not like, you know, sleek and straight, because it doesn't have to look perfect. It just needs to be like I don't know, kind of like naturally done. So this is how the hair is looking. I seriously love my hair so much. So the last thing that I do is I apply a little bit of an oil, and the one that I'm using is by Macadamia Natural Oil, which is this one right here. I cannot recommend this hair oil enough. So you just need a tiny little drop, literally that much. You don't need a lot because this is a very rich oil, and the last thing you want is for your hair to look greasy. So I just go ahead and warm it up between my fingers. So we just want to focus this hair oil on the ends. And as you guys can see, what I'm doing is kind of separating the curls a little bit with my fingers. It makes the hair look very bouncy and effortless, and it's just so pretty. I'm gonna show you how the back looks. I hope you guys like this tutorial. Don't forget to leave me a comment letting me know what you guys would like to see next. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.